Hello everyone, welcome back to Noble Chemistry classes. Now today we are going to start today's video for class 12 from the D and F block and element. Now we will start today's a new unit, that is D and F block element. So let's start, that is what is D and F block element. So first of all we will discuss that D block elements. Those elements which lie in between S and P block element S and P block elements in the long form of the periodic table are called transition element. In this point we can say that in the periodic table here in left hand side this is the S block, in right hand side it is P block, and in between S and P here is D block, and F block is below the periodic table. Now in first point we discuss that those elements which lie in between S and P block elements in the long form of the periodic table are called transition element. It means S block and P block, in between S and P block elements there is D block element, and D block element is also called a transition metals, a transitions element. So now next point is these elements have their properties which are intermediate between those of S and P block elements. Now we know that in S block elements they are mostly metals, and in P block elements there are some metals and non-metals. Now metals are malleable, non-metals are not malleable, metals are ductile, non-metals are not ductile. We have also discussed in first chapters and in 10th class. So we can say from here that the properties of the D block element is intermediate between the S block and P block elements. Now the next point, 8, represent a change from the most electropositive most S block element to list electropositive p block element. Now d block element रिप्रेजेंट करता है हमें चेन्स को, जहाँ s ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स जो कि क्या होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, मोस्टली इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट्स, एंड p block elements are least electropositive elements. तो d block element represent a change from the most electropositive elements S block element to the least electropositive p block elements. And the electropositive elements are those elements which can easily lose the electron to octet noble gas electronic configurations. Now, so from here, next point is we can discuss that these elements are called d block element since in them (3D, 4D, 5D and 6D subcell are incomplete and last electron enter n-1 into D subshell. Now here we can say that the transition element is also known as d block element, and these elements are called d block element because here 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D subcell are incomplete and the last electrons are enters in the n-1 D subshell. For example, for scandium, here the atomic number is 21. Now when we write electronic configuration for these atoms, now that is electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d1. Now here 4s2 and 3d1, from here argon is complete, so we can write here the electronic configuration is also argon 4s2 and 3d1. Here the shell is 4th, the value of n is 4, so the electronic configuration is that n-1 d and ns. So here d1 and ns2. Okay. Now where n is equal to 4. Now the last electrons enter in the n-1 d subshell. Next point. General electronic configuration of d block element is here n-1 d from here 1 to 10 and ns where 0 to 2 where N is outermost shell. डी शिफ्ट सेल्स के अंदर मैक्सिमम 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन आ सकते हैं, एस के अंदर मैक्सिमम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन आ सकते हैं। तो यहाँ हम जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करते हैं डी ब्लॉक्स के अंदर, तो वो मेनली क्या होता है, डी के अंदर 1 से 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन फिल किए जा सकते हैं और एस के अंदर 0 से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं। नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ D block element. We know that the S block element and the P block elements are classified in the vertical column, but we can study better as D block elements in the horizontal line. So we can easily write here D block elements are better discussed by classify them into horizontal series. In periodic table, there are four main transition series which start from fourth period. From fourth period. Now here, what is period? In periodic table, the vertical line is called group and horizontal line that is period, and from here we can see in periodic table. And the number of the group in periodic table, that is 18, which are numbering from 1 to 18, and the number of period in periodic table is 7, that is numbering from 1 to 7. Now we will discuss about the four main transition series. Transition series. Now here, first transition series. First transition series is start from scandium and last is zinc. Now scandium to zinc is the first transition series. Now the name of the elements of the first transition series is that first scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, then iron, cobalt, cut. Now here सचिन तेंदुलकर ने वसीम अकरम को मैदान फिरोजशाह कोटला में नाइस कट जमाया. दिस इज द ट्रिक टू remember the name of the elements of the first transition series. That here the atomic number of the scandium is 21 and the atomic number of titanium is 22, 23, here is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Now this is the first transition series. Here the elements are present from scandium to zinc. Now the atomic number of the scandium is 21 and the atomic number of the zinc is 30. Now the next is second transition series. Now this is the second transition series. The name of the elements is yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, rubidium, rhodium, platinum, silver and cadmium. The atomic number of yttrium is, here is the atomic number of scandium is 21. Now add here 18 elements. Now 8 or 1 9 and 2 or 3 1 2 or 1 3. Now the atomic number start from 39 and the atomic number of zirconium is 40, 41, here is 42, here is 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and the 48. Now you remember that the atomic number of molybdenum is 42 and the atomic number of rhodium is 45 and we add 18 numbers in the atomic number of the scandium, then we get the atomic number of the yttrium. Now here the trick to remember these elements is that यार ये जरा निब्मों तक रू रो पड़ी आगे कड़े, ये जरा निब्मों तक रू रो पड़ी आगे कड़े. As you like, you can make easily trick to remember these elements. Now here the atomic number, this is start from the 39 and end with 48. Now the atomic number of cadmium is 48 and first remains and first revise that the name of these elements is yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, rubidium, rhodium, platinum, silver and cadmium. Here in the first transition series the value of the N is 4 and for the second transition series the value of the N is 5. Now the next third transition series. Third transition series. Now the third transition series is start from the lanthanum. Now the third transition series is start from the lanthanum and the last element of the third transition series is that mercury. Now here the atomic number of this is, atomic number of yttrium is 39. Now add again 18. Now this is 57. Now the atomic number of the lanthanum is 57. Now this is the F block. Now from here the F block elements are starts. So after it the atomic number of hafnium is here 57 plus 14, that is 7 or 4 11 and 5 और 1 6 और 1 7, that is now यहाँ से 14 एलिमेंट किसमें आएंगे, F ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स के होते हैं. तो यहाँ से इनके बीच में लैंथेनम और हॉफनियम के बीच में क्या होता है, 14 एलिमेंट्स का गैप होता है. So from here the atomic number of the lanthanum is 57 and the atomic number of the hafnium is 72. Here is 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 or the 80. Now here to trick the trick is used to remember these third transition series is that ला हफ्ता वरे ऑस्मियम इरिडियम प्लेटिनम गोल्ड मरकरी. मतलब कोई भी जो डाकू वगैरह होता है तो वो क्या कहते हैं हफ्ता मांगते हैं. कई मूवीज में देखा होता है तो वो क्या कहते हैं ला हफ्ता वरे. तो यहाँ पे कह रहा है ला हफ्ता वर है और उसको हफ्ते में क्या चाहिए मतलब जो पैसे वगैरह है उसमें कह रहा है कि मुझे और पैसे वगैरह नहीं, प्रीसियस एलिमेंट्स दैट इज द ऑस्मियम इरिडियम प्लेटिनम गोल्ड और मरकरी चाहिए. नाउ द ला हफ्ता वर है ऑस्मियम इरिडियम प्लेटिनम गोल्ड मरकरी. Now the name of the third transition series is that lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. Now here the value of the N is 6 and we will discuss that the fourth and last transition series. Now here is the fourth transition series, that is the actinium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hessium, mithranium, dasmatadithium and rontiginium and copernicium. Now here Cn is copernicium. Now here the atomic number of actinium is, here we add the 32. In the lanthanum series, that is the 32, when we add that is 7029 and 538, that is the atomic number of actinium is 89 and actinium, after actinium from here the 14 elements of the F block elements. So here the difference between the 14 elements in between the actinium and the rutherfordium. So here 89 plus 14, 9 or 4, 13, 8 or 1, 9 or 10, 103. Now here the atomic number of the rutherfordium is, that is 104. Here is 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111 and 112. Now here this is the four transition series where actinium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hessnium, mithranium, damastatium and rontiginium and copernicium. Now here the value of the N is equal to 7. You also use any tricks to remember these elements. Now here the atomic number is start from the 89 and in between actinium and rutherfordium there is the 14 elements of the F block elements. So the atomic number of the rutherfordium is 104 and dubnium is 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110 and 111 and the atomic number of the copernicium is, that is 111. Now this is the introduction of the D and F block elements. आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो समझ में आई है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं. वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.